Good afternoon. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent, and today I'm here with a beautiful condo at 22 Niagara Pier that is for lease. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 2-car attached garage, over 3,700 square feet, and a stunning, priceless view of Lake Erie, Liberty Park, Perry's Landing. It's amazing. Let's go check this out. Come on. All right, so let's take a little look right over here. First of all, we've got a gas fireplace behind me in this really nice living room, hardwood floors. There's a bookcase and a little bit of a library storage for you. You can put your books here. You can add an additional TV here. And there are 2 decks, and we'll go outside in a minute. There's a deck that you can walk out to from the kitchen and from this big living room. And then there's also a deck that you can walk out to from the master bedroom. So if I go this way right here, this is an extension of that living room. There's a 65-inch flat screen TV here, a nice dining area, and then it flows right into the kitchen. Now we're in the kitchen. We got Corian countertops, really nice wood accent refrigerator, dishwasher's right under here, gas stove, gas burners on the top, and a nice microwave. This is the eat-in area in the kitchen, as you can see. I just wanted to point out that there are sliding glass doors. If you want to eat your breakfast or have your morning coffee or have dinner or some cocktails right on the deck, you can walk right out from the kitchen, and also over here you can walk right out from the living room. So we're going to walk out from the living room, check out the deck and the amazing view of this condo that's for lease. Okay, so I'm out on the first level deck. I walked out from the living room. You can also walk out from the kitchen. The view here is amazing. You get to see the bay, you'll see fireworks, the tall ships, all the people boating, all the sailing. Across the way is Perry's Landing, and right next to that is Liberty Park, where all the concerts are. You can sit here in the evening and listen to the music. You got to check this view out. It's priceless. So we're at the mid-level of this condo that's for lease, and this is a beautiful office. If you work from home, if you own your own company, you're a physician, whatever, any kind of professional, and you need workspace at home, which it seems like we all do now, all this furniture will be here when you lease the condo. So we're at the mid-level of this condo for lease. And on this level, besides the office that we just looked at, there's 2 bedrooms here and a full bath. Also on the first floor is a half bath, and the lower level is a full bath. And upstairs, we're gonna go check out the master bedroom and its full master suite. So I'm in the master suite. It's huge. It's got a huge walk-in closet, a really nice master bathroom, and it walks out onto its own deck. So take a look at the bedroom, master bathroom, and the walk-in closet, and then we'll go out on the deck. Now we're going to check out the upper deck, and you walk out to this right from the master suite. And again, amazing views of the bay, the peninsula, Liberty Park, and Perry's Landing. Take a look at this. That concludes our tour of 22 Niagara Pier. It's over 3,700 square feet, 2-car attached garage, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, setting right on the water with a stunning view of the bay. It's for lease right now. If you're interested, call or text me. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. 814-602-6181. And don't forget, click the thumb to like this video. Click the bell if you want to be notified when there's more content like this. And please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.